Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jocelyn and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. One of my favorite ways to look slim and slender, you know, I'm a big advocate of shapewear. On this video, I'm gonna show you different types of shapewear that you can wear with different types of clothing. Before we get started, let's answer some questions that you frequently ask me, okay, about shapewear. The first one is, should I wear underwear underneath my shapewear? The answer is, it depends, because I wear underwear under my shapewear, but there are occasions that I don't wear anything, just my shapewear, okay? Another frequent question is, can I wear shapewear every day? And the answer is no. I don't recommend that you wear shapewear every day, because you pretty much are putting some pressure on your tummy, and that skin is going to go up or it's going to go down. It needs to work somewhere. It doesn't disappear. The function of the shapewear is to make us look slender, because it's just putting pressure on your waist to form a beautiful body shape, right? But the skin doesn't disappear. The skin goes up or goes down in a way that the shapewear is molded. Take that into consideration. You are putting pressure on your tummy, and sometimes it's not good. I have an experience wearing a shapewear that is super tight. I wore it all day. I was so in pain. I was so sore my tummy because the shapewear that I was wearing was so tight that even my gut and my intestines were all constrained. I'm gonna leave that to your common sense. I highly recommend that you wear shapewear for special occasions, for instance, or when you know that you're gonna be wearing for maybe a couple hours. Please let me know if you have another question about a shapewear, and I'm more than happy to answer it. Alright, and now that I answered both of the most frequent questions about shapewear, let's get started. The first hack or trick that I highly recommend that you wear, especially when you are wearing these type of dresses that are bodycons, that they're like hugging your body, I highly recommend that you wear this type of shapewear. This one is my favorite one by far, and as you can see, it has this high-waisted, it has this tummy control here, and it looks like biker shorts, pretty much, right? I really like this ones because it has this, well, it doesn't have any seams here on your legs, which is pretty cool. I wear this with a thong, to be honest with you, and then I wear this, and this is like wearing shorts. Sometimes, how many of you, I wear shorts under my dresses, and sometimes you don't need to wear shorts because you can be just wearing your shapewear and you're going to be safe, right? You're not going to be showing your underwear to the world. This is a really good option. You have the tummy control and you have this biker shorts type of style here with this shapewear. I really like this shapewear because it has this silicone here at the top, and that's going to avoid that the shapewear rolls down. This shapewear is by far one of my favorite ones. Is the first one that I started talking about shapewear here in my channel, and I'm going to link it in the description box below for your reference. If you're wearing leggings or you're wearing high-waisted trousers or pants, for instance these white ones that you know they're going to be showing the seams of your underwear, please wear a shapewear that it has this type of thong design. And I have one here, and this one has been saving me a lot. Yeah, because it is high-waisted, so I'm gonna have the tummy control that is going to make me look slimmer and slender, but at the same time I'm not gonna be showing the seams of my underwear. I highly recommend that you wear this with a thong, that it has the same shape as the shapewear, okay? Because this type of shapewear doesn't have any cotton here at here, okay, that is going to protect your parts of breathing. So yeah, we want to look slimmer, slender, but at the same time let's be safe, okay? As you can see, for instance, these white pants look way better with this type of shapewears, because if I wear the conventional underwear, you see it. I'm showing you the seams of my underwear. But when I just change my underwear, just wearing a thong, these trousers look way better, right? Because I'm not showing the seams of the underwear. But when I wear a shapewear that it has a thong design, look at this. I have the tummy control and automatically smooths out all these rolls of skin. Underwear does that. Underwear makes us look that we have rolls skins when we don't have any. You can be super skinny, you can be the most slender person, but if you're not wearing proper underwear, it's going to ruin your outfit. So the devil is in the details. Wear a shapewear that it has a thong design and you're gonna eliminate those problems right away. You can see it here with these leggings as well. Please, if you're gonna be wearing leggings, at least make sure that you're wearing a thong, guys, because leggings show automatically whatever you're wearing underneath, even if you're not trimming your parts. You know what I mean. I cannot tell you how many women I have seen that you can see the bush over there, or you can see the seams of the underwear, or you can see, you know, everything, because they prefer to not wear underwear because they know they're gonna be showing the seams of the underwear, so they prefer to not wear underwear, and it's a disaster, right? It's a disaster. Don't do that. If you want tummy control, wear something like this with this thong design. For those that definitely cannot wear a thong, because I know thongs are not comfortable, I have another option for you. If you're not into shapewear that it has the thong design, you can wear something like this. And I believe this one is okay, this is the right side. It's like this, okay? So this one has your typical conventional underwear, okay? But what is amazing about this one is that the fabric is super thin. I don't know if you can see it, okay? Super thin. It's like wearing nothing, and that's exactly what we want, right? In case, again, if you're wearing high-waisted white trousers like this ones, again, look how it looks. It looks pretty amazing, and I'm not showing seams, and at the same time I'm having the tummy support. That automatically is going to make you look slender or slimmer. Okay, I needed to talk about this shapewear with this super thin fabric here at the brief, because look at this. I'm not showing the seams of my underwear, and I'm wearing the shapewear, okay? So I'm not showing the seams of my briefs, which is pretty awesome. It's a great alternative if you don't want to wear a thong, or you don't want to wear a shapewear with the thong design. This one is excellent. You have the tummy control. You're going to avoid showing the seams of your underwear. Everything is on place. Everything is looking how it's supposed to look, and it's amazing. Plus, this shapewear in particular is not going to roll down because it has these wires here at the sides, okay? So it has these wires. There are wires here, so they're going to improve your posture. Oh, there is more wires here, another pair of wires here. So wires here, wires here. It's going to make you look fantastic, slimmer, the look that you are shooting for. And I mean, it's not that you can just wear it with these pants, right? You can wear it with those bodycon dresses or anything that is going to be tight at your body. This one is my second favorite shapewear of all this shapewear that I'm going to be showing you as part of this video. A really good thing about this shapewear is that it has this cotton here, which means that your parts are going to be breathing. So that's an alternative if you don't want to wear underwear under your shapewear. Wear something like this, right? Something that you know that it has a cotton, and you know that your skin is going to breathe. Okay, at the beginning of the video, I told you about a shapewear that I wore for all day. And by the end of the day, I was so sore when I took it off. and I'm referring to this one. However, that was my mistake. This shapewear works wonders in case that you want a super tiny waist. Okay, as you can see, it's not a corset. However, it works like a corset. Yeah, and the reason is because it has these wires here. These are wires, so they're going to keep you straight at the same time that you're going to have a tummy control and all the love handle control. Okay, because all 360, this shapewear is going to provide you support. Okay, however, be careful. I highly recommend that you wear this maybe 2 or 3 hours and that's it. On top of that, it has this type of shorts that is very convenient. And look at this, at the back it has these little tiny things that is going to give you a lift on your capuch, on your butt. Okay, so this is really good. I bought it on Amazon. Be mindful that you cannot wear it all day, otherwise you're going to be very sore. This one is perfect to wear it with bodycon dresses in case that you have a date or you want to look spectacular with this tiny waist. Wear this one again for a couple hours, okay? Because I don't want that you tell me like, Jocelyn, I am so sore and you told me to wear shapewear. Yes, I'm telling you to wear shapewear, but I'm telling you to wear it for just a couple hours, okay? You can see this bodycon dress without a shapewear, but once that I put this shapewear on, automatically it's giving me a super tiny waist, support here at the front, and my caboose looks lifted and it looks really amazing. Another option to look slimmer or slender, I wore one of these on my wedding day, and I'm talking about the corset. I have this one from Honey Love. I have not opportunity to wear it. The one that I wore when I got married, I don't know what it is. No, I don't know what it is, but you know what? That made me a really nice silhouette. I was wearing this strapless dress and the bottom was a little bit like whoosh, like that, and I really need something to give me support, right? And that's the only thing that I wore. By the way, this is my photo, which is pretty cute. And yeah, I wore one corset. So I highly recommend that you wear corsets in case that you know that you're gonna be wearing a strapless and you know that you're gonna have some type of A-line design at the bottom, right? Because it's not gonna give you any support beyond your belly button. Okay, so I highly recommend this with maybe with blouses or tops or strapless or something that you know that you only need support this area. I need shapewear right now, right? Because I'm just dealing with this shirt. And last but not least, I need to mention this because I kind of love this one. This one is it's a shapewear, but it's like a tank top. It has these straps and it has these pads here, so you can wear this without a bra, which is pretty amazing because you can wear this as a bra and then it's going to give you support here at your tummy. It looks like a bodysuit. Believe me, I wore this one just as a tank top without a bra, just like that, with a pair of jeans, and nobody knew that it was shapewear. Yeah, it looked really amazing. So I was very pleased with that because it gives me support on my friends, and I was not showing my friends to the world because it's slightly padded. By the way, you can remove them. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, even better, right? And it's going to give you support here at your tummy. Not a lot, but it's going to give you a nice silhouette because it's accentuating the waist. And it looks like a bodysuit. Alright guys, so this concludes my video of how to look slender or slimmer wearing shapewear. Hopefully this video was very educational because I give you different options of shapewear and how you can wear the shapewear with different types of clothing. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you have more time and if you want to continue watching more of my videos, you can click here or here, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.